di Agyapong me ni ko baby akole bi sun sa me ni ko baby Kekos University na gentleman be je anymore and I say look this gentleman about 15 years ago you launching a Tescom but the camera for me so Sophia send don people no say oh sir now we dey course wa no say diploma den ni ma me no when ni who no say abran kan my boy in school fees and a scholarship go America then my boy in coy 20 something year down the lane when boy na ba Tescom for year na boy ni ba obi enti nyo no fra boy do na boy papa on kai was won wan
Mr. Kennedy Agyapong wa dan the team po edi o ye no wan
Kennedy Agyapong
Kennedy Agyapong
the team po edi he's a living testimony
they be say
na to yan team po anybody you many won dey
but I don't know about Agyapong dey na wo so mo kakra
oh propaganda propaganda to ponko oh
Agyapong le so propaganda yin yere
en to ponko o kan say when you go to family finance also we go see as we go school we to about registration fee we go see
Agyapong to your family fee
there be so on complain yes also anamba have you credit complain you know what sometimes package money you say get your about NDC onu ona mo ada video ana oya da video abone say ni be ka say this for me say balance in be say get your home ka tell me we na ka tell me to me be na be NDC we say do on ka ubi and to me buy tell me you tell me oya book mo NDC for be bachelor say do get enti Kennedy ni na wona we ada video ya data force e gu because data force na be kan say papa no hwe kakara maye na ma fe do hwe bi unti so boka party na area and that for follow down area crow man politician ba got $6 million I go see cardio ama aban tell me politician be and to don can kese ma you no guess catch them point one politician please point
o say dey asema na ka
oh masa you guys you job so you so you tell me
guys when am you job so
oh masa
no bro we who say that more politicians more guys
politician catch them me say you take kromo politician bi Ibrahim Mama politician businessman no ya do sickness mo you film what I say you for politician be so one no dey see na come as Kennedy one of the biggest fish pond wo atiasi aso fish soldier for no did you money fine fish pond cost almost $1 million for that check for that job some fa who that say any people go about chance ya o so have no go that dream po and go blackboard ponty evidence based have no go the dream po social media ko ponty me ni ko baby akole bi sun sa
but I bia na oni bibia obekanti
oh please oh bibia aye na de obeka o de aye nye de obeka de obi beka na nu say be maka global ye de obeka o de aye jo o ni do for mu ko no jo o ma cheche mi ye no na do for kan when I come it's not when I come what I have done when you come what are you talking about Kennedy Agyapong me ni ko baby Kekos University na gentleman be je anymore and I say look this gentleman about 15 years ago you launching a Tescom but the camera for me so Sophia send don people no say oh sir now we dey course wa no say diploma den ni ma me no when ni who no say abran kan my boy in school fees and a scholarship go America then my boy in coy 20 something year down the lane when boy na ba Tescom for year na boy ni ba obi enti nyo no fra boy do na boy papa on kai was won wan no bunch na bro me we me say me ko gina say evidence based and then me say
and then to aba
how you to abo and I just say yes you onu boy ni see
enya wo no baba
o be ka hu samna ni abeka bro fa kese e di bro fu ya ti bro fu okro ma ya mre kro we mu ti bro fu ya mre bro fu ha
ati ko Agyapong de obe na bro fu no be kan
o bro fu ya wi ni abazenga ba obi ani mama ide so nanga ba obi bro fu okani the solid team no ni go what's up trouble
ola ba ye ko wa se me
and you go ka say who educate dey come be kan jo mo ba lo so mo dey a few we homo wono abaja pepe abaja come e be translate jo mo sin ka for be dokuno over 12,000 votes SMBT about 25,000 John Mamas told the people what they wanted to hear no ya dance di can you be here na mo face bo na mo face na bo e go ne o ka digitalization computerization free education then we school na dey o ni say What's up?
I wish I found the community. I'm sorry, so. Was that Jama?
What's
No, what's wrong? What's the name of Bubu?
You do that, Chama yesterday. No, and somebody be brave or honor. I side with him. Most of the things are factually correct.
They all can, you know.
Most of the things are true. Now they said they all can and your brofo. But for Anka Ghana, Anka Kurobe Tumpone brofo the Anka Ghana Anka US crown to ye. Ghana US crown to ye because ye cabo for class in the US of now Professor for over there Masati de Ndurna be English stations in the I think Cassia for the news now the idea TV3.
You see,
Accidents.
I think successive governments in any Ghana for any number of years, Ghana any acquire that's a nay. You go to Ghana. 9-year road expansion and Kamoto and I say one of the best roads I Chrome had here. Nature say I'm on your for Eddie Ghana for Yamo. Burkina Faso. I ran to about 3 years. You share document to be about the gentleman 2 weeks ago. Super. Ha! Or you're not doing say or tackle all major roads in Burkina. And our crack equipment have been going on the Russian government. Oh, 3 years. I can't brand and I had home. I am a Democrat, but it must have been 10 years on Tosa. Oh, but never done in Rwanda, I'm telling you. What I say? And the next year, your motorway are coming 60 years ago. What I say? I never complaints I have Basano. Is it not better than most of our major roads? It's better. And then I'm on for yeah, maximum for. But it's the motorway expansion PPP. And they say PPP that are they, and PPP for motorway, and this is for commercial with Cape Coast. And so we have to get the Chrome, we cannot connect 3 major cities. Kumasi, Cape Coast, and Kumasi Takrani, 3 major. If you go to Morocco, connecting major cities, easy. And then they ask them, politicians, what is the problem? What is the problem? Oh, get a politics, Argentina MPP, yet 3 lanes, I say bones, say lanes. I hate your road tax, road fund. Argentina is OBG funds. We should move from here in America, even in Rwanda. You can go and say you did road. How you road? Obi see school, no G funds. Obi see compounds, no G funds. Major innovations, Agenda 111 is a good initiative. You can talk about it. John Mama AE block, it was a good initiative. Me area, a 6-story, 6x6 school back when you on or 64, 84 classrooms. These are major interventions that you can speak about it. No MP because he amount of common fund because he MP or a development agent. You see amount MP 200,000 common fund. Amount monetary fee 1.2. Which I did. MP where you man say because he's good die. Now MP because he KVIP. Now oh moving government machine. Petrol you could be a KVIP no. Nibo they see KVIP project. What is the meaning of what kind of country are we building? Yeah, in Klima Forum. And maybe a buy say you see I'm going for who. SOMPA FM. If you do election year, and a commission year, Rollins year, MPP condemn yes, Kufo by over here. A good word on Nazi, Yabakoya, no, Chawi. Ah, bah. The interchange your motorway. Uzu.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, motor circle one way, circle Dubai. Obey one way.
Yeah.
And it has a way of fanfare. It is covered 100,000 to 300,000. It could be a no fanfare. Yeah, right. Waiting the interview of highways back on Saturday and Papa and Pania Cop. What I say? So for me, His Excellency Mama, a Trump Bermuda, and I don't. It's on record. Your mama, he shouldn't get it wrong because he's seen it all before. What I say? 6 months here, Jeremiah, they call Jubilee. I'll say, I'm good. It's another very good initiative. If you have 15 million budget for 6 months, no go in a PPP, school from Kuala Kobe Diom. Now have 15 million budget. Hey! What? On the general report to me back. Now this time, Sika we are 60 million. MPP about 72 million. They are pretty we are where you come on? No, we are 60 million, 60 million. No, we are 72 million. They are pretty. Every already does the media.
Ochina yebeye auditor general.
Oh Jesus.
Report no ho adwuma pa.
That's obi we 2 million Ghana.
Na nhwemo aye ma ye no. Ghana's corruption crisis. 2024 Auditor General's report. 18.4 billion Ghana cedis in financial irregularities.
No problem. I'm going
an increase of about 109% from 2023.
No problem. So the question is this: even 2015, decrease of 30%. Because everybody is
hi. Asamo.
I go. We don't politicians about defend this. Every time, no. You have some technical politicians. Hey, careful. Minister Bia and Saniteko. Minister Bia is not a spending officer. But to the Missy Marcel.
So share Auditor General's report now. See, I'm not forwarded.
What did he say? Civil servant be the brutal. Civil servant be.
What did he do?
Before I come, me next house. I go be to on it down. We are going to see ni because about the video. You lose about no about me face. You know be. I'm so young. What's me come on? Okay, home. Me to go say 8 years. So come to me. Or chief director baby. Okay, home. You number party for na me fi idiot tell you won kan bo. We chief director baby bi am njiminka. Akwade down the best. E da akwade kukusi on the best 6 months. E juma akwade hye no. E fe kwa. Who da na be kan wasem. We chief director.
By the business baby. You don't know.
Oh, Masa, who the chief director at age 45? Who the association go to die? Who business go be about 20? They are okay. Chief director. And who's going business? And these people, ministry want to send them. Not sector minister, not German who defend it. We should name and shame. We should name and shame. Masa, say what's some close go. I'm 1,000. We are 10,000. Say what's some close go.
I'm 1,000. Are you?
Where? What conditions of service? Civil servant, you know, conditions of service. Or to them free, the man petrol free. The petrol coupon in the table should go. BBS friend protocol coupon. So protocol, no, on the protocol, the protocol. Now minister, any party for Biaba. Oh, the coupons 10,000 more. We are 10,000. And then politicians will glorify these people who buy council go. Who say politicians behind the party for your civil servant. That you cannot sit and concentrate. You cannot sit and concentrate.
Only the adrenaline.
As a chairman can. First, now I tell outside no. Na me nim sa. Na nse ni mabehu sa yi no. Civil servant de omo mo party bia mu.
Nanga. Mo pay this as
MPP ba.
O pay this as something.
Na ye yo kofu ya na de omo chi NDC foi. E na ne onko chi wutu ni yo mo. Nye kofu NDC foi kem se wo de ko sisi yo. Yes, this is start. Mo tell you kofu.
Enfa.
Mo tell you what. Ti wa yo kofu. Ni wo onko chi wutu ni.
E just aso na ban sisi sa o pay bibia asem.
Wo ni mo wuti.
Omo mo ba bia. Prof, the fact of the matter is me inside womb so I don't want to talk too much, especially on air.
Okay, that's fine.
But later on, Baba, we will still come around the table. We'll talk about it one day.